Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay videos in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some pins. From here we just go into the profile menu like this. Then we tap on social permissions. Then we scroll down to the bottom, and here at the very bottom we find autoplay videos on cellular data. We can turn this off, and what it does is that when we have video content in our feed, it won't be played automatically when we use cellular data. So we can save some data on our device by turning this off, or we can just turn this on and enjoy the videos and enjoy the app thus. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.